So good evening everyone, how's you been following us? But today hope we've come to our climax, our poultry house. You can see the floor very well. Yeah, we had to spread to make it smart. We had to apply a preservative so as the pillars to stand firm minus being affected by the termites. When you look down, see this is the timber. We've added what we call the expanded wire mesh plus the chicken eye mesh. Hope you can see it all very well. This side still we have a point for the mesh. Since the poultry need a lot of aeration, hope you can see it all. This is by Spark Agro Initiatives Africa. No one else, just a youth based agro company that deals with farmers, house construction, farm design and setup, farm plan, soil testing and sampling, backyard garden setup, new farmer training. That's all we do. A lot and a lot and a lot. So you can reach us any day, anytime. We should solve all your problems. Thank you.